There are some cases where it is necessary to group your agents based on a specific skill or function and assign them into teams. And so today, we will be teaching you how to manage teams in Zoho Desk. Looking for more videos like this? Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon to stay updated.
When it is necessary to organize your agents in groups based on specific skills or functions, creating teams may be very helpful. To manage teams, you will need to go to Setup, Users and Control, Teams. First, choose the department you want a new team be created in, an existing one edited or deleted from. Click New Team if necessary. Enter a team's name, description, and select agents, teams, or roles that will be included. Save. Check if Tickets and Tasks assignment to teams is enabled by clicking on More icon and toggling the button depending on your needs.
We hope our video helped you to manage teams in Zoho Desk. Share this video to your community, hit the like icon, and subscribe. For additional questions, you can send us a message at knowhow@customerization.ca.